Okay, we're starting off with 2 bottles of our Parmesan Caesar dressing in our crock pot. Now I'm coming in with 2 pounds of chicken breast and we're placing that right into our dressing. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious crock pot dinner. Perfect. I have 1 block of cream cheese that we're gonna place right on top of our chicken. If we can get it out of this wrapper. I got the store brand and it's a little sticky. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna come in with our minced garlic and we're gonna add a good amount of garlic into our crock pot with our dressing, chicken and cream cheese. And of course we have to season this up. So I have my Italian seasoning and I absolutely love this brand of the Italian seasoning. It just gives so much flavor, but you can adjust your seasonings to your liking. I just think Italian goes really well with these other flavors. And then we're gonna do some onion powder on here, but like I said, you can adjust it. I'm just making sure that I get everything nice and seasoned so that this has a lot of flavor. Now I'm not gonna do salt because the dressing has plenty of sodium, but I am gonna do some black pepper. Just gonna add the perfect little kick to our dinner. Oh, it smells good already. That dressing is absolutely incredible. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and top this off with our Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna use this whole bag covering up all of that goodness. All right, and now this is ready to cook. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, we've had this on high for 3 to 4 hours. We can go ahead and turn this off and take off the lid. It smells so good in here. That Caesar dressing is to die for. And we're not gonna dig into this quite yet. We have our hand blender that we are going to use to shred our chicken. And we're just gonna do it low so we don't splash ourselves, but we did let that cook long enough to where it's just easily shredding. We're mixing up that cream cheese in there. We're getting that dressing all mixed together. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. I mean, come on, look at that chicken. Look how tender it is. It is just falling apart. You probably didn't even need the hand mixer. You probably could have just mixed it up with a spoon and it would come together. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit so we can really get that sauce nice and blended together. Doesn't it smell amazing?
Oh my goodness, this looks fantastic.
Oh yeah, and it's gonna be amazing. All right, I think this is coming together really nice. We have 1 more ingredient we're gonna add, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that. And that is our fully cooked bow tie pasta. Now we're pouring that all into our crock pot. Mix this together for our Caesar Parmesan pasta. Oh my goodness, it looks so creamy and delicious. I mean, what is not to like? This is so great for an easy dinner on the weekdays. If you want to set it in the morning and let it cook for 8 hours on low, that's also a great alternative if you want to make this before work. But honestly, this is good any day of the week, and I think it is ready to enjoy.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yeah, and you know, you can eat this with a Caesar salad on the side and double up on the Caesar, but that looks amazing. Oh, lots of chicken. I probably could have only done 2 chicken breasts and it would have been a little bit more balanced.
Sorry, more protein.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. This is so good. You guys are gonna absolutely love it.